To create an alarm on Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, scroll around your home screen and look for a clock. If you cannot find a clock like this, then open a clock app. Now, if you want, you can also click right here, as I said, on the clock to open your alarms as well. Now, when we have that opened, we can click on this plus button, which will allow us to set a time when the actual ring should come around. And we're gonna go for 6. Then we can pick minutes, and then click on OK. So our alarm is already created. It should ring around this hour or exactly on this hour. We can also set it for a specific date. So for example, it can go from Sunday to Tuesday and etc. And there's also the sound that you can change for your alarms. You can enable or disable vibration and add Google Assistant routines. Alternatively, you can delete the alarm as well. Hopefully, yeah. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.